Okay. In the last video we discussed about one problem from exercise number 2.4. Now we'll see one more problem from this exercise. It is a very important problem. Mary age is twice older than her sister. Mary age. Mary is twice older than her sister. Suppose her sister age is equal to x. Suppose. Then Mary's age is 2 times x. Twice older. Okay. In 5 years of time, their age will be increases up to 5 years. Am I right or not? Oh. In 5 years of time, very important time, Mary's age is equal to 2x. 2x plus 5 because increased by 5 years. Okay. Sister's age is equal to x plus 4. Am I right? In 5 years of time, she will be 2 years older. She will be 2 years older. 2 years older means x plus 5 plus 2. When you are adding 2, that must be equals to Mary's age after 5 years. That means 2x plus 5. Am I right or not? As per the problem I did it. Once again I am telling, we need to find the ages of Mary and her sister. Once again we will go to the problem. Okay. Mary is twice older than her sister. Suppose her sister's age be x, then it twice age must be equals to the Mary. This is I take it as per the problem. In 5 years of time, that means after 5 years, both of them increased by 5 years. Their ages increased by 5. That's the reason. In 5 years of time, Mary's age is 2x plus 5 and sister age is x plus 5. She will be 2 years. She will be 2 years older than her sister. When we are adding 2 to the sister's age, that must be equals to the Mary's age after 5 years. That's the reason 2x plus 5 is equals to this. So 2x plus 5 is equals to x plus 7. This is my linear equation in one variable. Then by separating variables and constants, 2x minus x must be equals to 7 minus 5 because this is plus 5 will go this side minus and this is plus 6 will go that side minus. Then x is equals to 2. What is x? The sister says x, that is we take in 2 years. Therefore, sister's age is equals to 2 years and Mary age is equals to 2 times 2, that is equals to 4 years because she is twice older than her sister.